Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's non-technical point is the golden touch. Now, once upon a time, in ancient Greece, there lived a king named Midas. He had a lovely daughter whom he longly named Marigold. Although King Midas has immense wealth in his kingdom's treasury, he was always dissatisfied and unhappy. He was always greedy for more wealth and wished he had more golden in his treasure. One day, as he was counting gold coins and admiring his treasure rooms, a wise Greek god appeared before him who offered the king a wish for some of his good deeds. Without wasting any time, King Midas quickly wished that everything that he touched should turn into gold. The Greek god granted his wish promptly and disappeared. King Midas was delighted about his wish being granted. He went and touched an apple tree in his garden. To exit excitement, the tree turned into gold instantly. He was so thrilled that he went on touching random things all around him, which turned into gold immediately. His joy knew no bounds, and he was overwhelmed with excitement. Soon he was angry and he returned to his palace to eat some food. Heaven thought he was driving. He was disappointed that he could not eat anything, as whatever he touched turned into gold instantly. Seeing him frustrated and troubled, Marigold come running and threw her arms around her father to comfort him. But to his dismay, even his daughter turned into gold as he touched her. King Midas' face turned place and his heart sank and unbearable pain and grief. He was horrified upon seeing his daughter turn into a golden statue. He carried in a anguish and regarded his wish for the golden touch. In no time, he realized his greed was his biggest overflow and begged the Greek god to take back his wish. Son, the Greek god appeared before him and felt pride for his condition and took back the golden touch which from him. Further, the wish god instructed King Midas to take a dip in the pond of his palace and sprinkle that water to all these things which he wanted to touch back to the previous condition. He blindly followed the instruction, and soon his daughter Marigold was back to normal when he sprinkled the water on her. Thereafter, he was elated to get back his beloved daughters and promised to stop being greatly henceforth. Thank you.